Stay calm and follow these instructions. Call emergency services now. Expose patient's bare chest. When patient's chest is bare, remove white pouch. Tear open white pouch and remove pads. Peel one pad from plastic and place on patient exactly as shown. Peel second pad from plastic and place on patient exactly as shown. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered. It is now safe to touch the patient. Begin 5 cycles of CPR now.